Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to be showing you how I prepared Vaniyambadi style chicken biryani. This is a very flavorful biryani, and every region in Tamilnadu, biryani changes from region to region. It's all different. The way of preparation and the taste completely differs. I'll show you how I prepare this biryani in a detailed version. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. Here I've washed the chicken already, allowed it to drain in a colander, and I've reserved it. We'll be using long grain basmati rice for this recipe. So for half a kg of chicken, I'll be using half a kg of rice. Now I'll also be using sliced onions. You can see I've sliced the onions into thin coins. We'll require lime, whole green chilies. The tomatoes are also chopped into coins, thin coins. Finely chopped mint and coriander leaves. I've cleaned the ginger and garlic, washed it thoroughly. So the ginger and garlic is ground separately. Here I've reserved chili powder, turmeric powder, yogurt. We'll require cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaf. And for the masala paste, I'll be using almonds, cumin, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. I'll start preparing the biryani. I'll start with the masala paste first. So in a mixer jar, I've added the cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and cumin. I'll be adding approximately 2 tablespoons of onion. We'll add the ginger and garlic paste. This enhances the flavor and taste of the biryani. I'll show you in detail when I'll be adding this, but prepare this ahead of time. Approximately 1 tablespoon of mint and coriander leaves. We'll grind this without adding water. If needed, you can add 2 tablespoons of water, but not more than that. Grind it into as fine paste as possible. Here I've heated a heavy bottom pot. For the biryani, I'll be adding the oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, that is when we'll be adding the whole spices. I've added bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. We'll fry all these spices until it releases a good aroma. Now I'll be adding the onions, and you have to constantly keep stirring this and fry it on very low to medium flame. Don't hurry this process because the flavor enhances in your biryani. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, and a detailed recipe is posted on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. You can see the onions have started to turn transparent. At that point, I've added garlic paste. We need to fry the garlic paste till the raw flavor reduces and the onions start to turn light brown in color. Once the onions have started to turn light brown in color, I'll be adding the tomatoes. So now I've added the tomatoes and whole green chilies. Here in South, the tomatoes take a very long time to cook. It never cooks fast. So we always pressure cook it. Since I'm cooking the biryani in an open pot, I have to fry this on low to medium flame. I have to keep constantly stirring this and frying it. So that's the trick. That's how you can cook all your veggies. I've added ginger paste, chili powder, turmeric powder. I'll also be adding the yogurt. Now from here you have to be very careful. So once you've added your ginger paste and yogurt, things will burn very fast. You have to be very cautious. Constantly keep stirring it. Then add half a glass of water We are basically preparing this curry base. So once you've added the half a glass of water, it will stop burning and your tomatoes will cook faster. At this point, I've added the chicken. Once I've added the chicken, I've added the ground masala. Now we have to constantly keep stirring this and frying it. We have to constantly keep stirring this. That's the trick behind this biryani. Now stir all your ingredients and fry your chicken for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now once your chicken has fried in the masala, that's when you need to add your mint and coriander. I'm doing all of this in stages if you have noticed. I'll also be adding coarse salt or rock salt. We never add the powdered iodized version of salt for biryani. It's always the coarse salt. Now we'll fry all of this. I've also added half a glass of extra water to make sure the masala doesn't burn. I kept constantly stirring this and I kept cooking the chicken in the masala. Now I'll add the lime juice. Now I'm just going to cover and allow the chicken to cook till it's half done. While the chicken is cooking, I've washed my rice twice and I've added enough water and I'm going to allow the rice to soak for 30 minutes. I'll open and check for the chicken if it's cooking. You can see there's a lot of moisture which is released from the chicken. So I gave it a stir. Now at this point it's very crucial, friends. Just check for salt and add salt if needed. We need to measure the amount of water that we are going to add for the rice. We'll add it in the chicken. Now once you've added the water, cover it and allow the chicken to cook till it's well done. At this point, the chicken is cooked well. All the masala has cooked. So the gravy base is done. We'll drain the rice and add the rice to the chicken at this point. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with measurements will be listed in the description box below this video. A written blog post is also posted. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links to my blog, social media and the Tamil channel link will be in the description box below this video. Now once I've added the rice, I allowed the rice to cook till it's 70%, then covered it. And I'm going to allow this to cook for 15 minutes on very low flame. After 15 minutes, my rice is done. So the biryani is cooked very well. I'll just stir it once and we need to serve it as hot as possible. So do give this recipe a try, friends. My Vaniyambadi biryani turned out excellent. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my social media and blog will be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.